They say it takes about some 40,000 of years to go to the limit of this universe. Then beyond that universe there is the spiritual world, parah tasmat tu bhava anna, another nature, bhaktya sanatana. Then you pass through the spiritual world, Brahma Jyoti. There are innumerable, unlimited number of Vaikuntha planets. Then above all of them there is the planet Goloka Vrindavan, where Krishna resides. It is said in the Brahma Samhita, Goloka namni nijadhamni tale chatasya. Goloka namni nijadham. That is Krishna's personal planet, Goloka Vrindavan. Goloka namni nijadhamni tale chatasya. Devi Mahesha Haridhama Sute Suteshu. There are other planetary systems, Haridhama, Vaikuntha Dham. Then this material world is called Devi Dham. And between the Goloka, between the spiritual world and material world, there is Goloka Namni Nijadham Nitale Chatasya Devi Mahesha Dham. So there are so many status of planetary system. Each planet is full with living entities. The spiritual planets, they are full of living entities. They are all liberated, Nitya Mukta. And those who are within these material world planets, they are Nitya Baddha. Nitya Baddha, Nitya Mukta. There are two kinds of living entities. The Nitya Baddhas are only few. But the Nitya Muktas are many, many. This material world is only 1/4 energy of the creation. The 3/4 energy is in the spiritual world. And here, in the 1/4 energy, there are innumerable universes. And each universe is full with different types of planets. And each planet is full of living entities. But these rascals, they say, there is no living entity, it is sand and rock. So this is not the fact. You have to understand from the Vedic literature about the planets, which planet is existing, where is spiritual world, where is material world. All informations are there. Don't speculate and simply think that this planet is full of living entities, all other planets are vacant. This is most unusual argument. There is no meaning. But we are not concerned with that. We have got our own information from the Vedas. So Krishna's pastimes is going on. Somewhere or elsewhere it is going on. Therefore his pastimes are called Nitya Lila. Nitya Lila Prakash. This Vrindavan Lila is Nitya Lila. It is going on continuously, somewhere or other, within this material world. And the spiritual world, it is permanently there. So the Pandavas, they are associates of the Nitya Lila. They are not ordinary human beings. Wherever there is Krishna Lila, they go. Therefore Arjuna asked Krishna that how can I believe that you, first of all, many millions of years ago, you spoke this philosophy to the sun god. Krishna replied, Bahuni me janmani, what is that verse? Bahuni me vyatitani janmani tapacharya. Arjuna, both you and me were together, and we have passed through many different leelas, but you have forgotten, I remember. That is the difference between God and the living entity. They cannot be equal. We forget, the Mayavadis philosopher, they put this argument that because we have forgotten, now in Maya we have forgotten that we are God. So what kind of God he is if he forgets? God never says, I have forgotten. Krishna says, Vedaham samiti tani. I know past, present, future. So where is the question of forgetting? See, if somebody forgets, that God is different from the God who does not forget. Therefore you have to accept too. You immediately have to accept Dvaitava. One forgetting God and one not forgetting God. You cannot accept one. That is not possible. And that is the fact. Just like Krishna said, that I remember when I spoke to Sun God, you have forgotten. So there are two. Similarly, Krishna's another name is Achyuta. He never falls down from his position. And if we fall down from the position, therefore we are not on the same level. We may have some power and we can claim that I am God. That we can claim, but not that God like Krishna. Therefore two words are there. Ishvara, Parameshwara. In the Brahma Samhita therefore it is described that Ishvaras there may be many, but not Parameshwara. Parameshwara is one. Ishvara Parama Krishna. So these Mayavadis, they forget this, that Ishvara and Parameshwara there are two words. Atma and Paramatma there are two words. So they are not equal. And Krishna said, Matta Parataram Nanya. He is the supermost, Ishvara. Nitya Nityanam Chetana Chetananam. Although both of us are Nitya, eternal, and living entities, still there is difference. He is supreme, living entity, we are subordinate. Prabhu and Anu. Vibhu and Anu. This philosophy is perfect, and anyone who accepts this Mayavad philosophy, that the God and living entity are on the same level, they have got four fund of knowledge. Thank you very much.